Hello everyone, I am Teacher Lodi and welcome to another edition of Matsaya.
Learning Activity Sheet Mathematics 7, Quarter 1, Week 7, Subject Matter Ordering Irrational Numbers on a Number Line. We have two learning competencies. The first one is estimating the square root of a whole number to the nearest hundredths. And number 2 is plotting irrational numbers on a number line. For our objectives, we have three. Number 1 is estimating the square root of a number to the nearest tenths. Number 2, plotting irrational numbers on a number line. And number 3, arranging rational and irrational numbers on a number line into increasing and decreasing order. So for our key concept, so as you can see here, we have a number line. Okay, it starts with 0 up to positive 4. And then, as you can see, meron tayong mga square root. Ayan, naka-plot na siya. Okay? So, numbers such as 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, they are non-square positive integers that have irrational square roots. So, these irrational numbers fill up the spaces between the rational numbers to complete the set of real numbers on the number line. When we said non-square, okay, ito yung mga numbers na ang factor niya is hindi yung sarili niya. Okay, halimbawa, 4 perfect square siya kasi ang factors niya is both 2. May factor siya na both 2. Okay, kaya 2 times 2 is 4. So, this is a square. Halimbawa pa is 3 times 3, 9. So, 9 is a square positive integers. But, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, non-square sila. Okay, kasi wala silang factors na ang factor niya is yung sarili niya. Okay. So, kapag yun, nilagyan natin ng square root symbol or radical, ayan, the radical sign, just like this, finding the square root of a number, so they are non-square. Ayan. So, dito, para mahanap yung approximate square roots ng non-square positive integers, ang pinakamadaling paraan naman talaga is to use the calculator. Okay? Sa calculator, itatype nyo lang yung square root symbol and then yung number. Halimbawa, square root of 50. Then, lalabas na yung sagot. Meron din namang mga calculator na una, itatype mo muna yung number, then, tsaka mo pipindutin yung radical. Yung radical symbol natin. Then, lalabas naman yung sagot. Okay? So, for our first example, determining the value of square root of 45 to the nearest hundredths. So, when we said hundredths to decimal places, so square root of 45, una, maghahanap muna tayo ng number na kapag in-square natin is less than, okay, less than 45. And, ano ba yung 2 perfect square na between 45? That is 36 and 6 times 6, 36. Then, 7 times 7, 49. Eh, dapat less than. Pinakamababa sa 45. So, we choose 36. And the square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Then, let us multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. Then, subtract 9. Now, we're going to add 2 zeros to 9. Kaya siya naging 900. Then, 900... Ayan, through trial and error, multiply 6 by 20, then add a number to the product, and multiply the sum with the same number you added. Okay? So, yung 6, imumultiply natin siya by 20. Okay? So, that is 120. Then, we're going to add 7, yung kasunod ng 6. Then, kaya naging 127. Then, we're going to multiply also 7, okay, kung ano yung inad natin, yung din na i-multiply natin by 7, and that is 889. Then, remember, the result must not over 900. Okay? Then, we're just going to do the same process. Okay? just going to do the same process, but now use 67, the digits on your quotient. Okay? Kung kanina nakuha natin 67, di ba? Here, 67. Then, ganun ulit. Multiply na naman natin siya by 20. 1,340. Since ang 1,340 ay bigger than 1,100, the only answer possible is 0. Okay? Kapag nag-greater na siya than 1,100. Kasi, ito yung kung natin, di ba? Mag-add tayo ng 2 zeros. After nating i-minus yung 889, 11, then add 2 zeros. Then, yung natira nating quotient, 67, imumultiply naman natin siya by 20. And then, after nun, ang lumabas na is 1,340. So, dahil siya ay greater than 1,100, so therefore, hindi pwede kasi dapat hanapin natin is less than. Kaya, 0 ang nilagay natin. Then, after nun, i-minus na naman natin. So, 670 times 20, 13,400. Ayan. So, nag-add tayo ng 8. Nag-multiply naman tayo ng 8. Then, since less than 13,400 siya, 13,400. Ayan, balikan natin. Dahil nag-add na naman tayo ng 2 zeros, kaya naging 110,000. At ito is less than 110,000. So, therefore, the square root of 45 is 6.71. So, to check your answer, you can use calculator. Okay? Ayan. So, kapag gusto nating i-plot ang mga non-square positive integers, we can simply estimate them to the nearest tens or pinakamaina is to the nearest hundreds. Okay? Katulad ng square root of 5. Okay, if you're going to type this on calculator, that is 2.24 to the nearest hundreds. Square root of 18 is 4.24. Square root of 7 is 2.65. Then square root of 24, we have 4.90. Okay? So, dahil ito, 2.24, so nasa pagitan siya ng 2 and 3. 2.24, ibig sabihin almost kalahati ng 2.5. Kaya halos nasa gitna siya ng 2 and 2.5. Okay? Then, since 2.65 naman to, medyo sobra lang ng konti sa half. Then, followed by square root of 18 dahil 4.24. Okay? Then, square root of 24, that is 4.90, almost na malapit na sa 5. Okay? So, for your activities, number 1, do the same procedure as, okay, as we do here. If possible, show or write your solution. So, we only have 5 non-square positive integers for you to find for you to estimate the roots. Then, for number 2, using a calculator, electronic calculator, just simply find the square root of the given numbers, and then don't forget to round off your answer to the nearest hundreds, to decimal places. Then, for number 3, okay, ang gagawin lang naman is, ilalagay nyo lang dito, anong letter ba dapat dyan? Okay, di ba may mga numbers tayo dito? If you're after finding the square root of each, okay, try to locate them on the number line. Halimbawa, letter A, square root of 100. What is square root of 100? Halimbawa, ang sagot is 10. So, therefore, you're going to write here, letter A. Okay? So, that is what we're going to do for our week 7 learning activity sheet. Thank you.